Okay, but 9033 Hargis. I'm working from a 4-inch ABS cleaner. It's in the planter on the west side of the house. It's driven to 4-inch clay. 4-inch ABS. That's a 4-inch cast iron connection there. Or we can, let me see if I can push through this. We can finish this inspection. This thing is basic. Yeah. I don't want to put too much pressure on the camera. There you go, you can see it there. Okay. So basically the line's going to need to be hydrojet cleaned and then re-inspected.